T20 Asia Cup 2025 Super 4 Match number 13 Bangladesh vs Sri Lanka. Match played at Dubai International Cricket Stadium, Dubai. Bangladesh won the toss, elected to field first. Sri Lanka 20 overs 168 runs, lost by 7 wickets. Dasun Shanaka is the highest scorer, 64 runs, 37 balls. Then Bangladesh team best bowling spell. Mustafizur Rahman 4 overs, no maiden, 20 runs, 3 wickets taken. Bangladesh 19.5 overs, 169 runs, lost by 6 wickets. Bangladesh team best scorer Saif Hassan 61 runs, 45 balls. Then Sri Lanka team best bowling spell Wanindo Hasaranga 4 overs, no maiden, 22 runs, 2 wickets taken. Bangladesh won by 4 wickets in this match. Player of the match Saif Hassan. Congratulations Bangladesh cricket team.